Hey, we're in Carthage, North Carolina, doing some work on the floor. If you see right there, see how it drops right there, and it was dropping to this corner. Before I took this video, we had already jacked up the beam underneath this wall right here that you see and straightened it out probably 90%. We've got to do one more joist right there and it should have it back right. Put some jack poles in and a few extra piers. This house is 100 years old, and so all the structure is rough cut lumber, which is good stuff. But if you see right there, it's hard to see in this video, but the floor runs right to left downhill. And right here at this doorway underneath, there's another girder. And if you can tell, it's hard to tell from this video, but it just takes a dive down right through the doorway. And coming over to this room, there's a chimney, old chimney right behind this wall right here. But everything over here seems really good, except just this one corner is diving down from the chimney. So it all leads back to this beam right here running underneath this wall that we already have jacks on. Now, coming into this room, everything runs from this corner straight downhill this wall over here, which is the same weight bearing wall coming down the center. And over here in this corner, it's hard to tell. You usually see from that angle how it's just kind of diving back down, but they doubled up the pad under the carpet to try to bring it out. This room probably falls the worst from the outside coming back down, and you can sort of tell right there how hard that it drops. Now everything, including the kitchen is falling from this corner back toward the center also, and everything seems to be falling back to this center main bearing wall right here, which is where all the problem is, where it's dropped at. Now this is a stairwell that goes to the second story, and so we can see where there is a lot of weight there. So it should be adequate piers underneath and lift, and like I said, it's 100 years old. It's rough cut lumber under there. So our objective, get all the rooms lifted back up, get additional piers installed for support, and put jack poles in places that's needed, where joists have over years sunk a little bit and have a little swag in them. So we're gonna try to get it all back straightened out, and it shouldn't be a problem. Like I said, we've already jacked up one section and it worked out really well. We're gonna install jack poles in there and keep it up. Then we're gonna fix the little spot over there. It's a broken piece underneath, but I'll be back with you from underneath.